This is my vision board, no joke, and you'll see that there's a couple things that I really envisioned for my life that I really wanted to come true, and some stuff actually did come true. So I always envisioned myself eating gelato while walking on the city streets of Rome and in Europe, and I actually ended up going to Italy and Greece because of this picture. Inspired me so much to kind of go and see more places and to experience the colors, and I just kept seeing myself there, and eventually I found myself there. I have pictures here of furniture that I really like. I love places that are very, like the color tone is really relaxing for me, and if I see this, I automatically get motivated to want to have a house where I can get this kind of furniture and get these kind of drapes. I always put here silver lining. A thing that I'm always trying to learn when it comes to, being an entrepreneur is you need to look at the silver lining for everything that you're doing, because it's so easy to get bogged down by negativity and just feeling like you're not worthy enough. So I needed to be reminded that always look for the silver lining. Something that I think I had something about here. The power of the punchline. Spreading humor might be your best business strategy. I love humor. I love making people laugh, and that's kind of why I have this channel. Eat, drink, and play. I love how this has got like a bar scene to it. It's very like rustic. It always reminds me of hanging out with my friends. So this is like a thing that I want to aspire to. I want to have a place where I can entertain people and have like a really cool bar setting with all my friends. So this is a vision board. It doesn't have to be anything crazy. And one thing that I also wanted to point out too was the way that this woman looks. She has this personality of like, girl, I can eat whatever I want, whenever I want. I don't care, I'm in Europe. And that was something so sassy about it, and I loved it. So that's why I also was fascinated with this picture. I loved her body shape. I loved how confident she was, and I at the time wasn't very confident with my body. I'm an online health accountability coach because I want to feel more confident in my own body and help other women to feel as sassy as this woman is, and I ended up losing over 15 pounds just by having this mentality, this shift in mentality from doing a vision board. It's not the board itself that's magic, it's what you feel and what you put onto the board that inspires you, that fires you up. If you're looking at this board and you're just like ready to kick ass, man, a kick-ass attitude will never ever be beaten. Ever.
We've reached the top. Doesn't get any better than this.
Okay, that's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I just wanted to really do an in-depth look at my vision board. I thought it would be very helpful to share what it is that I got going on in my life. So if you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a like and to subscribe to my channel. Hit that like button, you know what to do, so that you can see more helpful videos and cool inspirational tips from me in the future. All right, y'all. I'll see y'all next time. Bye!